This is a brand new 2012 Ford Expedition. It has a 5.4-liter 8-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Its top features include a double wishbone independent front suspension, power adjustable driver pedals, a low tire pressure indicator, Sirius satellite radio, big 18-inch wheels, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: air conditioning, cruise control, an auto-dimming rearview mirror, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, a trailer hitch receiver, 4-wheel independent suspension, running boards, dusk-sensing headlights, front and rear reading lights, and fog lamps. This automobile won't last long at this price. Call and arrange a test drive now.
Sewell Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 2425 East 8th Street in Odessa.